this is Estelle. Are you ready for change? To empower your healing, I am going to show you how to help with lymphedema in the legs. This can help with general leg pain and aching, especially the feeling like you are moving through hardening cement. Hey Nova, what's up? Oh, don't worry. They know to like, follow, and subscribe. Everyone wants to empower their healing. And it's super easy to do. You just need to lay down with your legs against the wall, and this is to support your legs and lower back. Then you just shake your legs. If you want to kick it up a notch, then don't use the wall. Shake your legs for 5 to 15 minutes at least once a day. Remember to do as much of this as you can without pain. We are all works in progress. And thank you so much for watching. Comment below if you have any questions.